What's up, everyone? It's your boy Shotgun Gabe, and today I'm talking about OCGN. First of all, if you guys haven't subscribed and you want to, if you're a newer investor like me, go ahead and subscribe. You'll see all my videos. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If not, you don't have to, because I don't want people liking it just because they want to help me out. I want them to like it because they like the content. That way it caters to them. Now, let's talk about stocks. OCGN has been shooting up like crazy today, and I looked at my Ally account and I bought them a while back at $2.25 a share. I seen them for the long-term play, and today I seen it was off the chart and that I've profited over 130% on them. So I started digging around and seeing what was going on. I'm like, okay, something popped. You know, I suspected them to go up over time, but today they popped. Now I look, and what's going on is they have partnered with another company, and official Tuesday, a new COVID-19 vaccine candidate has entered the fray. On Tuesday, OCGN announced it had finalized a deal with India-based Bharat Biotech. The two will work together on Covaxin, Bharat's COVID-19 vaccine for the U.S. market. Now, this is important right here. Check this out, and I'll explain it. I'll break it up and tell you why. OCGN will take on all aspects of the U.S.-based responsibilities, including clinical development, regulatory approval, that's good for us, short term, and commercialization, that's good for us long term. If the vaccine is granted by EUA, Bharat anticipates supplying the U.S. market's initial Covaxin doses. Bharat, in return, will be eligible for 55% of the U.S. sales profit, with OCGN retaining the other 45%. All right, so we always like partnerships, we always like mergers, we always like stuff like this when we're dealing with stocks because it makes the stocks go up. Now, they've been exploding, and if we're going to invest in this short term, two things. First of all, look where it's at. Look around where the price is at, and it's been fluctuating at for the day, and I'll tell you guys in a minute how I would play this. And I'd like to hear in the comments how you guys would play this. And we're going to go over this first, short term. Short term, FDA approvals, earnings, stuff like that, big catalysts. These always seem to run up beforehand. So I have a friend that I talk to a lot about these, and he's really well on the pharmaceutical plays, the medic plays, that type of sector. And he's made a lot of money off this. And so we interact with each other, and we were kind of going over this earlier. But these things are really nice before earnings call, and they have an earnings call around the corner. So this should change it significantly. But long term, they're going to be pumping these things out. And it says they will be taking on all aspects of U.S.-based responsibilities, clinical development, and commercialization. That's good for us. You know, not only in this play, but for some of you guys that have invested in Rite Aid, have invested in CVS, have done stuff like that, because you guys realize, well, when these start pumping out, not only are they going to be making money off of that, but people that are going to be walking through these stores are going to stop for a Pepsi, they're going to stop for a candy, they're going to say, hey, we need some toilet paper, stop for some toilet paper while they're on their way to the pharmacy. So we expect those stocks to shoot up. So this is a double hand play. They're going to make money here, and it's also going to help boost those as these things start rolling out more and more, right? The more vaccine and the more people going into those stores, the better on a twofold front. Now, if I was to get in right now, how I would do it, because I've been watching this. I bought in a while back, but I bought in one of the shares that I'm on one of the accounts that I manage. I started trickling my money in, and I've told you guys before, I don't dump all my money. I buy a few shares at a time, literally, especially on accounts that I manage because they're smaller. Now, this account has 120 in it, and I'm literally trickling a stock or two at a time in there. And you guys can see right here, literally got 3 positions. And what I'll do is, if it dips way down low, I'll buy it. If not, if it stays above it, I'll leave it up there. But it's been shooting up like crazy. So I got in this account at 652. And I'm going to wait and see. But if I was to jump in fresh right now, what I would do is I would wait for it to be under 7, and I'd buy it in. I'd buy in a few shares, and then I'd wait to see how it does at the end of the day, and then 1 a.m. in the morning. And I wake up at 1 a.m. every day to buy stocks. So if I was just buying in at this, I got in at 652, and I like that. I'm going to continue to try to buy in under 7 for the rest of the day, and then tomorrow when I wake up at 1 a.m. I'm going to look at this really closely and see what it does. And if it dips down really hard, that's good for me, because I'm going to buy in a couple of more. The fact that there's going to be a lot of anticipation and a lot of hype for this is going to push it up. And then we got earnings call next month. So earnings call next month is on the 26th. So right before that, that's going to help push it up too. So I think this is a twofold front. I think what I might do is I might go back to my Ally account, my long-term account, and when I see a good dip, I'll buy a few more shares in there. I hope this helped you guys out. I will do some more research, and I'll look into this some more later. And If you guys haven't joined Weeble yet, you ain't messing with the Robinhood thing, which I totally understand. I got a lot of friends that ain't. I'll leave my link below so we both get free stuff. And then I will leave Coinbase. If you guys want free money, it's Coinbase. Coinbase will give you free money, and all you got to do is open an account. They'll give you $5 worth of free Bitcoin, and then you can do little lessons, like 30-second lessons, then I'll give you a few books of other stuff. I got $40 of free money, and it's already up to 70 now. So if you guys want to check out the video I made on it, you can do that here. And then go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like it, and I'll see you all later.